What is the salary of a data scientist? Most working professionals who want to switch their career from software development to the data scientist role have this question in mind. Well, a data scientist salary varies based on a lot of factors, but there are three major factors that affect it. The first one is the work experience. So how much work experience you have as a software developer, and now you want to change your career from software development to a data scientist role. So if you are a working professional, the salary offered for a data scientist role will be different than the fresher or someone from non-IT background, because company prefer the people who is from software background and already have experience, and they want to change their career from software development to a data scientist role. Rather than some freshers or someone from non-IT background, the salary will be less. The second factor is what type of company you are applying for data scientist role, whether it's a product companies or a service or startups. Well, generally the product companies typically offer the higher salaries than the service based organization. And the third factor is location. The location where you want to join the company, it also affects your salary. Cities like Bangalore, NCR, Pune, Hyderabad offers a higher salary due to their higher cost of living as compared to the tier 2 cities. Let's jump to the most prime factor for salary, that is your current experience. If you are a working professional with more than 5 years of experience in software development and now you decide to switch your career to the data science and AI, your salary will be different than the fresher who is just graduated from the college or someone not from IT background. Now you might be wondered why a software developer with 5+ years of software experience but who is new to the data science domain would have higher salary than the fresher. Well, this is because professional software development experience will be considered while offering to you the CTC by the companies. This software professional, even if they doesn't have a data science knowledge, but he worked with the complete software development lifecycle and have already worked in the various software projects. So these will be considered while determining your salary for the data scientist role. So if you are a software professional who wants to switch to the data science or AI domain, it does not mean you will going to get the less salary than your current one. But this is not true for someone who is not from IT background. For example, if someone has a 5 years of experience in automobile mechanical sector and wants to switch to data science background, they will be considered as a fresher only. This non-IT person will get the same salary as a fresher in a data scientist role because they have lack of knowledge of data science as well as the software development field both. So for a non-IT people, if they want to switch their career to a data scientist, they have to start as a fresher. So generally, it's considered in the market, if a software professional with more than 5 years of experience wants to switch to a data scientist role, then his salary will be around 25 to 30 LP or sometimes 30 to 35 LPA CTC. Or sometimes you might get 25 LPA fix also. Along with that, it also has the joining bonus and the shares both. Please note, if any companies are providing you joining bonus or the shares, your CTC might go to 35 or 40 LPA also in a 5 years of experience candidate. However, this number may vary depending on a current salary. If your current salary is already 30 LPA in the software and you want to switch to data scientist role, you can expect 30 to 45 or 40% of hikes from your current salary. Or if you are targeting some top product-based companies like MANG companies, these Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, as a data scientist or ML engineer roles, your salary could be more than 40 to 50 LPA. Sometimes it is above 60 LPA also, as these companies include significant amount of shares and the bonuses in your CTC. Second major factor for data scientist salary is which type of company you want to apply for a data scientist role. I know not everyone can crack the MANG companies interview for data scientist role. First of all, it is very difficult also to get a call from the MANG companies for data scientist or ML engineer roles. Even if you got the call from these companies, then their interview rounds are from 6 to 7 rounds typically happens. And these are very difficult rounds. So my suggestion is, if you are doing domain change from software to a data scientist role specifically, or as a fresher if you are trying to change your career as a data scientist or AI roles, don't look for companies brand initially, but first focus on the work profile. Lot of good projects, just try to put in your portfolio. Eventually you may be eligible for the top product-based company's data scientist role. Now third major factor is for which location you want to apply. Majority of the people got offer from the Bangalore, NCR, Pune, Hyderabad cities, as these are the IT hubs. Now after COVID, anyways work from home is no more. So better try to relocate to these cities. You will get a huge salary in these cities only. Also, you have a lot of different opportunity across various IT companies in these cities. If you don't like a project or a culture in one organization, you can easily switch to the different organization also. But if you want to target outside India like US or UK based company for data scientist role, the average salary will be around 1.5 lakhs dollars as an intermediate experience level candidate. A candidate salary will keep on growing based on their contribution to the various data science project. Data science is a rapidly growing field and companies are always searching for the candidate with a good project experience. So even Logicmojo data science course also helps the candidate to switch from the software development role to the data scientist roles in the product companies. So if you have experience of diverse data science project, your salary will eventually grow with your experience.